Hello, I'm Nick and Routinius Cameras. Today we are talking about Stealth Bird 4K drone reviews. You should know about it. Stealth Bird 4K drone. Stay connected with this video to know this. Meet the Stealth Bird 4K, the highest customers rated drone on the Imagenet. A marvel of engineering and designing, the Stealth Bird 4K Pro was built to go wherever you travel. Inheriting the best of the Stealth Bird 4K series, this ultra portable and foldable drone features high-end flight performance and functionality for limitation exploration. Stealth Bird 4K features fully loaded for superior durability and easy holding. First, foldable drone. Second, gravity sensor. Third, HD photos and videos. Fourth, slow-mo mode. Stealth Bird 4K drone, foldable structure and lightweight design. Essential item for any adventure. Stealth Bird 4K is the best and fastest drone is the size, flying at a top speed up to 30 miles per hour. Easy to control. Stealth Bird 4K has all of the features needed to satisfy the pros, but it is extremely simple to fly and control, even completely beginners. So comment your thought about this website in this product. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.